All right, guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing review and setup on my new 12-piece storage boxes. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review. I actually already started building most of them, as you can see here. I did save one, so that way I could just show you how they are made. They come in this plastic, and I'll go ahead and take them out. So this is what they look like. They're really easy to assemble and stack. So you kind of just want to make the box like this. Open these. And we'll put these parts in like this. Same thing over here. Like that. And we'll go ahead and seal this part like this, so you can see it's sealed. And what's cool is you actually don't just have to use them for shoes. You can use them for other accessories you may have around the house. I will actually be putting shoes in mine. And what's cool about the boxes is they do have like little ventilation holes right here. So if you do keep shoes in here, this will allow the shoe to breathe. So let's go ahead and actually put some shoes in them and try them out. Okay, as you can see, it's super easy to stack these shoe boxes. They're perfect for getting rid of clutter and making the most out of your space. The clear design makes it easy to spot your favorite pair without digging around. They do come in two sizes. The smaller size is perfect for low top sneakers and casual shoes, fitting for men's up to 10 to 11 in size. The larger size, it comfortably fits high heels, boots, and bigger sneakers for men's sizes up to 14 and 15. And again, they're not just for shoes. You can use them for hats, bags, collectibles, pretty much anything that you want to keep tidy and on display. Once I actually had the boxes assembled and the shoes in there, I really did like how much it made it look tidy and stylish. These boxes make it easy to create a clean, streamlined look. All right, guys, so there you have it. The 12-piece storage boxes for shoes. Looks really nice. It'll keep your shoes a lot more organized. It displays them really nicely, as you can see. And like I said, it doesn't just have to be shoes. You can put other items in here, seal them up. Like I said, very easy to open them up and put them back. So if you guys are looking for some new storage boxes for your shoes or other items, definitely look into these. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.